89, 81. Powder mill of mango managed by using vegetable sulfur, carbendazim, carathine, tridimorph, hexaconazole. Second disease, anthracnose. Anthracnose of mango caused by Coletotrichum gliosporide. Anthracnose of mango caused by Coletotrichum gliosporides. For management of anthracnose of mango, fungicides used Borac mixture, copper oxychloride, carbendazim. Before storage, fruits of mango dipped in carbendazim solution 5 gram per 10 liter of water for if which is used for effectively control of post harvest diseases of mango. Third disease, dieback of mango. The characteristic symptoms of dieback of mango is drying of branches and twigs from tips to downwards, followed by complete defoliation. Management of dieback of mango, pruning of diseased twigs, followed by spray of 1% Borac mixture. Selection of cyan from healthy trees, which helps in keeping the disease under check. Next disease of mango, pink disease of mango. Pink disease of mango is caused by Botryosalmon. Pink mango caused by Botryobacidium salmonicum. Management of pink disease of mango. The disease can kept under control by cutting and removing the affected branches. Cut end should be protected with Borac paste. The disease can also controlled by lime, sulfur, and oil-based copper. Next disease, stone graft mortality of mango. Stone graft mortality of mango is caused by Fusarium oxysporum. Stone graft mortality is caused by Fusarium oxysporum. Stone graft mortality, causes of stone graft mortality. First, use of improper potting mixture and poor drainage in polybags. Second, incompatibility between rootstock and cyan. And third, exposure of graft to intense rain shower. Next, disease of mango, stone graft mortality, management of stone graft mortality, deep the stones म्हणजे ज्या कोया वापरता तुम्ही mango plantation. Dip the stones in carbendazim to control sclerotium growing on the stone. Select healthy mature cyan stick of proper girth, that is pencil size. Use of well drained soil and FIM in 3:1 proportion as a potting mixture. Provide 6 punches holes at the base of plastic bag for proper drainage. Drench emission or 1% Borac mixture solution 50 to 100 ml in each bag to avoid developed sclerotium in soil. Next disease of mango, red rust of mango. Generally, rust is caused by Puccinia genus Puccinia, which causes the rust disease. And in case of castor and linseed, Melamspora is the genus which causes rust in castor and linseed. Melamspora lini and Melamspora ricini. But in case of mango, red rust of mango is caused by algae. Red rust of mango is caused by algae, and name of algae is Cephalurus virescens. There are two rust which caused by algae. Red rust of mango caused by Cephalurus virescens, and tea rust. Tea rust caused by Cephalurus mycoides, and coffee rust is caused by Hemilia vastatis. Management for red rust of mango: spray Borac mixture or copper oxychloride. Avoid close spacing. Next, partial stem parasite on mango, that is Loranthus dendropti fulcata. Botanical name of Loranthus is dendropti fulcata. Complete stem parasite. Loranthus is partial stem parasite which grow on mango, and complete stem parasite is Cuscuta grow on lucerne. Cuscuta grow on lucerne. Complete stem parasite is Cuscuta on lucerne. Partial stem parasite is Loranthus on mango. Complete root parasite is Orobanche on tobacco, and partial root parasite is Striga on jowar. Then Cuscuta is also known as dodder. Cuscuta, other name of Cuscuta is dodder. Loranthus is also known as mistletoes. Loranthus is also known as mistletoes. Orobanche is known as broomrape. Other name of Orobanche is broomrape. And Striga is known as witchweed. Striga is known as witchweed. तर हे ऑब्जेक्टिव्हला तुम्हाला विचारलं जाऊ शकतं. कस्कुटाला डॉडर म्हणतात, लोरॅन्थसला मिस्टलटो, ओरोबांचेला ब्रूमरेप आणि स्ट्रायगाला विचवी. मॅच द पेअर्स मध्ये कुठेतरी हे येऊ शकतं. मॅनेजमेंट ऑफ लोरॅन्थस: remove Loranthus by scraping of parasite from infected branches before flowering with the help of Amar Loranthus cutter. Amar Loranthus cutter, which is used for remove the Loranthus on mango. Then application of glyphosate at the point from where the Loranthus grew. Glyphosate is a herbicide which is used for management of Loranthus. Last disease of mango, malformation. Malformation is the inflorescence disease. Malformation of mango is also known as bunch top disease. Dash disease in mango is known as bunch top disease. That is, malformation is known as bunch top disease in mango. Management of malformation or bunch top disease in mango is: the disease incidence is reduced by spraying with NAA during October, naphthalene acetic acid. Spray crop with NAA during October. Pruning diseased parts followed by spraying of carbendazim or caftafol can effectively control the disease. Second crop, citrus. Disease of citrus. Citrus first, gummosis, leaf fall and fruit rot. Gummosis, leaf fall and fruit rot. Gummosis of citrus is caused by Phytophthora gummosis, Phytophthora citrus. Then manage gummosis, leaf fall and rootstock. Use resistant rootstock. Which rootstock? Citrus aurantium, that is sour orange rootstock, or Cleopatra mandarin may be used. These are the resistant rootstocks for gummosis, leaf fall and fruit rot. This question is asked for objectives. Resistant rootstock, that is sour orange. Botanical name of sour orange is Citrus aurantium and Cleopatra mandarin. Second, management, proper drainage facilities are to be provided. Excess irrigation should be avoided. Continuous contact of trunk with water has to be avoided by adopting ring system of irrigation. Double ring basin system around the trunk may be provided. The inner ring being 45 centimeter away from the trunk. This help for avoid the direct contact of water with stem. Planting pits may be dusted with mixture of zinc sulfate, copper sulfate, quicklime. The diseased bark along with the little portion of healthy tissues may be removed with a knife, and the exposed tissue is painted with zinc sulfate, copper sulfate, quicklime in 0.6 as to 0.2 as to 0.5 kg in 100 liter of water. Healthy trees should be protected by painting with Borax mixture up to a height of about 50 to 75 centimeter above ground level in the trunk once in a year. Rootstock like Poniceros trifoliate or its hybrid like Citrange can be used. Rootstock which are resistant to the gummosis, leaf fall and fruit rot are sour orange, that is botanical name of sour orange is Citrus aurantium, Cleopatra mandarin, Poniceros trifoliate and Citrange can be used. Drenching the soil around the plant base with Borax mixture, spraying with Borax mixture with tin sulfate or diphenylaton, metalaxyl plus mancozeb and phosphatyl Al, that is alite. Next dish is anthracnose of citrus. Anthracnose of mango is caused by Colletotrichum gliosporide. Same causal organism of anthracnose of citrus. Anthracnose of citrus caused by Colletotrichum gliosporides. Management of anthracnose of citrus. Dried twigs should be pruned with cut ends, should be protected by paint with Borax mixture, copper fungicides. Such trees may be sprayed with thrice with carbendazim, caftapol. After pruning, trees should be adequately maneuvered with urea. Urea at 100 gram per every 10 liter of spray solution should be mixed for increase the vigor of plant. Spraying with Borax mixture, Zynep, Captain which gives good control of disease. Spray with zinc sulfate, copper sulfate, and lime mixture in 100 liter of water. Also gives better effect. Next, disease of citrus canker. Citrus canker was first recorded in 1933 on Herbarium of Medica, England, United States. In India, citrus canker was first in India. Citrus canker was first reported from Punjab in 1940. Citrus canker is caused by bacteria Xanthomonas campestris Pathover citri. Xanthomonas campestris Pathover citri. Manage citrus canker is a bacterial disease, but Bacterium citrus canker is transmitted by vector leaf miner. Leaf miner is a pest which occurs on different vegetables and fruit crops. So Xanthomonas campestris Pathover citri or Xanthomonas oxanopodovis Pathover citri, this bacteria transmitted from healthy plant to infected plant to healthy plant by insect vector leaf miner. Scientific name of leaf miner is Phylognistis citrella. Phylognistis citrella. This is asked for match the pair. In A section, there is citrus canker, and in B section, there is Phylognistis citrella or leaf miner. Management of citrus canker: drop of canker affected leaves and twigs should be collected and burned. Disease-free nursery stocks should be used for planting in new orchards. Monsoon. Crop with Borax mixture. The vigor of plant should always be maintained by proper fertilization and irrigation. Proper care should be taken to minimize the attack of leaf miner, which is the insect vector of citrus canker. The disease can be effectively controlled by spray. This is the disease. So for of disease, so this is antibiotics. Spraying crop with neem cake solution, which found highly effective in checking citrus canker as well as leaf miner for control of leaf miner is the insect of citrus canker. Use नीम केक सोल्युशन NSK नीम सीड कलनर एक्सट्रॅक्ट जसं असतं त्याचप्रमाणे नीम केक जर तुम्ही पाण्यामध्ये भिजत ठेवलं आणि नीम केकचं जे काही पाण्यामध्ये भिजत ठेवल्यावर जो अर्क पाण्यामध्ये उतरतो आणि तो जरी तुम्ही स्प्रे घेतला तर लीफ मायनरचा अटॅक हा कमी होऊ शकतो. नेक्स्ट डिसीज ऑफ सिट्रस इज ग्रीनिंग. Important symptoms of greening is mottling, interveinal yellowing, and the symptoms of greening: mottling, interveinal yellowing, and green Iceland. Greening disease is caused by fastidious bacteria, Candidus Libribacter aceticus and Candidus Libribacter africanus. It is also caused by Rickettsia organism and vector of greening disease. Citrus vector of greening, vector of greening, and scientific of Citrusilla is dry. This is asked for matched pairs. In A section, there is greening, and in B section, diaphorenacity or citrus sila. Management of greening disease. The insect vector can be controlled by spray crop with insecticide, that is monoprotophos, removal of unproductive trees. Spray crop with antibiotic tetracycline. Next disease, citrus tristeza or quick decline. Citrus tristeza or quick decline. Important symptoms of citrus tristeza or quick decline is pithing. Pithing, that is splitting of stem or cracking of stem. Also cupping of leaves. Leaves become cup shaped, and pithing of stem means splitting of stem and there is crack on stem. Leaf curl and cupping of leaves is also observed. Citrus tristeza is disease is caused by citrus tristeza virus, and citrus tristeza virus is transmitted from infected plant to healthy plant through insect vector. Black citrus aphid. Black citrus aphid, and scientific name of black citrus aphid is Texoptera citricidus. Texoptera citricidus, and other species is Texoptera auranti. Texoptera citricidus and Texoptera auranti. Virus is also transmitted by parasitic dodder. This virus is also transmitted by parasitic dodder, that is cuscuta. Management, uh, spray crop with insecticide monopass or control insector black. Next disease, citrus exocortis is caused by viroid. Other diseases, some other diseases which are caused by viroids are kadang kadang disease of coconut, potato spindle tuber of potato. There are three which by viroid, kadang kadang disease of coconut, citrus exocortis, and potato spindle tuber. Management, budding, removal of unproductive trees, and replanting viroid-free certified budwood on tolerant rootstock. Budding knives should be cleaned and periodically washed with trisodium phosphate soap solution. This is the surface sterilizing agent, trisodium phosphate soap solution, which is used for sterilization or disinfection of budding knives during uh, training, pruning, and weeding. Great. Diseases of first, downy mildew of grape. Downy mildew of grape is caused by plasmodium and black leaves of leaves Manage grape, which is the downy mildew of grape is metalaxyl plus mancozeb, that is Redomil. Redomil from Syngenta company, which is used for growth grape. Removing and burning of all diseased leaves, stalks, flower, berries. After pruning, the wine should be sprayed with Borax mixture, diphthalate, chlorothalonil. When the flushes are formed, flushes means new growth, new produced growth. When flushes are formed, spray with diphthalate, chlorothalonil, metalaxyl, which are effective for control downy mildew disease. Next, powdery mildew of grape. Powdery mildew of grape is caused by Uncinula nicator. Characteristic symptom of powdery mildew of grape is uh, appearance of white powdery patches on all affected parts, that is on leaves, stems, berries, etc. Management of powdery mildew of grape. Overcrowding and dense growth of vine should be avoided by proper pruning. Spray crop with powdery mildew. uh, Important fungicide is vegetable sulfur. Effective control can be achieved by spray crop with vegetable sulfur, dinocap, carbendazim, or crops dust with sulfur powder. For objective, uh, resistant variety, there are four resistant varieties asked for objectives. Resistant varieties for powder mildew of grape. First, Red Sultana, Saint George, Red Sultana, Saint George, and number 1630. These are highly resistant varieties to powdery mildew of grape. Red Sultana, Saint George, and number 1630 are highly resistant varieties of grape for downy mildew. Next, anthracnose of is also called as bird eye spot disease. Anthracnose of grape is also called as bird eye spot disease, and anthracnose of grape is caused by Ilsoni ampelina. Anthracnose of mango and anthracnose of citrus is caused by but anthracnose of grape is caused by Ilsoni ampelina. Ilsoni ampelina. Management of anthracnose of grape. The disease should be pruned and spray leaves with mixture of ferrous sulfate, sulfuric acid. Spray and 10 to 15 days with borax mix or copper chloride or carbendazim or mancozeb or diphthalate. Resistant varieties for anthracnose of the resistant varieties for anthracnose of grape. Angur Talan, Bangalore Blue, Beauty Seedless, Queen, White Muscat, Bharat Early, Delight, Husseini, Karachi, Niagara, Khalili, Large White, Muscat, and White. These are the resistant varieties for anthracnose of grape. Next, disease of grape, bacterial canker of grape. Bacterial canker of grape is caused by Xanthomonas campestris. Bacterial canker of grape is caused by Xanthomonas Bacterial Xanthomonas campesticola and citrus canker is caused by Xanthomonas campestis Cactobus citri. Management of bacterial cancer of grape. This is a bacterial disease. So spray crop with streptocycline starting from 2 leaf stage up to 70 days. म्हणजे ज्यावेळी 2 लीव्स त्याच्यामध्ये तयार व्हायला crop मध्ये त्यावेळी 70 दिवस 15 दिवसांनी तुम्ही स्ट्रेप्टोसायक्लिन fan leaf disease of grape. Fan leaf disease of grape is caused by virus grapevine fan leaf virus. Fan leaf disease of grape is caused by grapevine fan leaf virus, and vector of grapevine fan leaf virus is nematode. Scientific name of nematode is Zephynema index and Zephynema italy. These are the which grape virus from infected to healthy ones. This is mechanically transmissible to Cucumin sativus, Chinopodium abranticolor, Gampherna globosa, तर मेकॅनिकल ट्रान्समिशन म्हणजे काय, जर तुम्ही त्या इन्फेक्टेड ल्यूजचा ज्यूस काढला आणि तो सिरिंज मध्ये घेऊन एखाद्या हेल्दी प्लांट मध्ये तुम्ही ट्रान्समिट केला, ते ट्रान्समिट कोणत्या क्रॉप मध्ये आपण करतो, तर तुम्ही सटायबस, चिनोपोडियम निकोटिना टॅबलेट म्हणजे टोबॅको, ह्याच्यामध्ये जर तुम्ही जो ट्रान्समिट केला तर हा व्हायरसचे इन्फेक्शन हे टोबॅको मध्ये सुद्धा होऊ शकते. Then management, soil application with nematicide, control the nematode vector and reduce the spread of disease. Nematicide, सॉइल मध्ये तुम्ही नेमॅटिसाइडचा ऍप्लिकेशन जर केलं तर नेमॅटोडचा कंट्रोल होऊ शकतो. कार्बोफ्युरॉन नावाचं एक इन्सेक्टिसाइड आहे, कार्बोफ्युरॉन, ते एक फॉर्म मध्ये, त्याचा तुम्ही नेमॅटोड कंट्रोल करण्यासाठी यूज करू शकता. Next crop, disease of apple. Disease of apple. Scab of apple. Scab of apple is caused by inequality of apple, inequalities. Management of scab of apple is spray crop with Captain Dodine or spray crop with Captain Dodine and also spray crop with 5% urea. Then resistant varieties for scab of apple are Imira, red free, Imira, red free, Amstar King, Imira, red free, Amstar King, Embryo, Ambre. These are the resistant varieties. Sorry, resistant scab are Imira and red free. And susceptible varieties for apple scab are Amstar, Ambroy, and Ambre. Next disease, fire blight of apple, a disease caused by Erwinia amylora, is first discovered by scientist T.J. Burrill. T.J. Burrill scientist discovered a fire blight of apple is caused by Erwinia amylora. This is the bacterial disease. The management of fire blight of apple, use Bordak mixture or streptomycin, or these fungicide Bordak mixture and antibiotic streptomycin uh, in combination give better result for control fire blight of apple. Next disease, crown gall of apple. This is also bacterial disease. This disease is caused by Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Management of the disease. Oxytetracyclines are effectively used as soil or as a root dip controlling crown gall disease. रूट डीप किंवा ट्रीटमेंट क्रॉन डिसीज कंट्रोल करण्यासाठी ऑक्सिडेटर्स अँटीबायोटिक जर यूज केले तर क्रॉन डिसीज हा कंट्रोल केला जाऊ शकतो. लास्ट डिसीज ऍपल इज मोझॅक. Mosaic of apple is one disease. Mosaic apple virus, and this disease is transmitted through and also through sap and seed. Uh, Apple mosaic virus is transmitted by vector aphid and also mechanical transmitted by sap and seed. Management of this disease, cure infected budding by exposing them to temperature 36.4. जे बर्ड यूज करणार ऍपलचे ते 4 साठी डिसीज डिसीजला एक्सपोज केले पाहिजे, तर त्याच्यामधून व्हायरस इन्फेक्शन हे कमी होऊ शकतो. नेक्स्ट क्रॉप disease of potato. Disease of potato, late blight of potato. Late blight of Phytophthora infestans. Late blight of potato is caused by Phytophthora infestans, and management of late blight of potato is, for effectively management of late blight of potato is, use healthy tubers for planting, select seed from disease seeds, follow clean cultivation, dip seeds tubers for 5 minutes in Ridomil fungicide. Ridomil, technical name of Ridomil is metlaxyl plus mancozeb. Ridomil contain metlaxyl mancozeb. So for control of Phyta and downy mildew genus, Ridomil. that is methyl mancozeb. Also spray crop with Borac mixture, copper oxychloride, cyanide. Second disease of potato is potato scab. This is caused actinomycetes, Streptomyces scabies. Streptomyces scabies is actinomyces causes disease in potato, that is potato scab. Management of potato scab, selection of healthy tubers for planting. Rotation with different other crops, eggplant crops and carrot. तर क्रॉप रोटेशन घेताना पोटॅटो जर घेतलेला आहे त्याच्यानंतर कॅबेज कॉलीफ्लॉवर नूरकोल जी क्रॉप्स आहेत तर ह्यांचं प्लांटेशन घेतलं क्रॉप सोडून इतर कोणतं प्लांटेशन पोटॅटो मी घेऊ शकतो. Irrigate the crop regularly and by drying of soil. Soil dries early to grow just त्यामुळे infection dipping 1.1 solution. Hours deep in getting pharmacy chemicals like the ट्यूबर्स मध्ये येत नाही. Potato scab disease caused by Streptomyces scabies can be controlled in soil of pH 5. जर तुम्ही सॉइलचा pH हा 5 पर्यंत मेंटेन ठेवला तर त्या फील्ड मध्ये पोटॅटो स्कॅब हा डिसीज black potato is causes of black potato unfavorable oxygen relation म्हणजे हा स्टोरेजचा डिसीज आहे. ज्यावेळी तुम्ही जे काय हार्वेस्टिंग नंतर जे पोटॅटो ट्यूबर्स आहेत ते गोडाऊन मध्ये ठेवतात त्यावेळी अनफेवरेबल ऑक्सिजन रिलेशनशिप असते म्हणजे तिथे ऑक्सिजन कमतरता असते. हाय टेम्परेचर डेव्हलप and storage above 37 degrees Celsius. म्हणजे ट्यूबर डेव्हलपमेंट फील्ड मध्ये होत त्यावेळी जास्त प्रमाणात सॉइलचे टेस्ट असते 37च्या वर जर टेम्परेचर असेल त्यानंतर स्टोरेज म्हणजे हे ज्यावेळी ट्यूबर्स हे फील्ड मध्ये त्यावेळी जास्त प्रमाणात उष्णता असेल टेम्परेचर जास्त असेल तर हा डिसीज होऊ शकतो. तसंच जर तुम्ही पोटॅटो स्टोरेज मध्ये ठेवलेले आहे तर त्या स्टोरेज जे काही केलेले डिसीज होऊ शकतो. जर पुअर पोटॅटो स्टोर केले तर याचे कंट्रोल मेजर्स काय आहेत? गिव्ह प्रॉपर प्रोटेक्टिव्ह इरिगेशन टू रिड्यूस द सॉइल टेम्परेचर ड्युरिंग ट्यूबर डेव्हलपमेंट. गिव्ह प्रोटेक्टिव्ह इरिगेशन to reduce soil during tuber development, particularly in maturity stage. Adjust the planting in such a way that harvesting will be completed before temperatures start rising. Storage tubers should be made in well ventilated. Storage of tubers should be made in well ventilated rooms. Loosely woven jute bags should be used, and these bags should not be kept one above the other for suitable long time. Loosely open jute bags should be kept one above the other for considerable long time. Next disease of potato is brown rot disease. Brown rot disease of potato is caused by bacteria Ralstonia solanacearum or Pseudomonas solanus. Ralstonia solanacearum or Pseudomonas solanus. Brown is managed by use of the DC to planting. Disinfecting knife frequently. Tubers treatment with streptocyclines for tuber treatment with streptocyclines for 30 minutes. This is bacterial disease. So for tuber treatment, use antibiotics. And last, mosaic. Mosaic of potato. Mosaic of potato is used by potato or potatoes or solanum virus or potato virus eggs. Mosaic of potato is caused by potato virus eggs or potato mottle virus, solanum virus 1. Potato virus eggs, also known as potato mottle virus, potato virus. Potato virus eggs through swab inoculation, contact between healthy and diseased plant, transmission of mosaic of potato through sap inoculation, contact between healthy and diseased plants, and diseased seed stalk. This is Morsiki or Aphis gossip. These are the scientific name of aphid, Myzus persicki or Aphis gossip. For management of mosaic of potato, use disease-free tubers, control of vector by granular application insecticide, 10 kg for hectare or application of 4 carbofuran kg hectare, management of Myzus persicki. Next, disease of cucurbits. Disease of cucurbits. First, cucurbits means cruciferous crops are cabbage, cauliflower, cole, radish, and cucurbits. In cucurbits, crop include muskmelon, watermelon, all gourds, bottle gourds. These are etc. These are the cucurbitaceous crops. First, downy mildew of cucurbits. Cubensis, Pseudosporinosperm cubensis. Management of down mildew cucurbits. Use of bed system of cultivation, wider spacing, and planting site should be well drained. Air movement and exposure to sunlight helps to check disease development. Removal of destruction of infected vines. Spray crop with diphenhydramine, seed treatment with fungicide apron to kg of seed. Crop with mancozeb. Next, powder mildew of cucurbits. Powdery mildew of cucurbits is the example of two pathogen disease. Powdery mildew of cucurbits is caused by two pathogens. Which pathogen? First, Erisippi siceracearum. Erisippi siceracearum causes powdery mildew. Sparotheca fuligine is also cause powdery mildew of cucurbits. Rose powdery mildew. Rose powdery mildew. Flower rose. In rose, powdery mildew of rose is Sparotheca panosa, and this Sparotheca genus also causes powdery mildew of cucurbits. Uh, Give example of two pathogen disease. If you ask, use example of two pathogen disease. Then there is powdery mildew. Powdery mildew of cucurbits is Erisippi, Siceracearum, and Spara fulgini. Management of powdery mildew of cucurbits: spray crop with carbendazim, Dinocap, thiophanate methyl, Benomil be used for effective mildew disease. Also, propiconazole, hexaconazole, difenoconazole, tridimar. These fungicides are also control powdery mildew disease in cucurbitaceae and other crops. Next, angular leaf spot. Angular leaf spot of cucurbits. Angular leaf spot of cucurbits is a bacterial disease, which is why Pseudomonas syringae pathobus lacramans. Next disease, resistant variety for angular leaf spot of uh, cucurbits. Cherokee, Chaipe, Dasher, Cherokee, Turkey, Rider, and Swiss mosaic. Mosaic is caused by cucumber mosaic virus and vector is Apis crasula. And by spray with mulch used for aluminum mulch is the reflective material. Control aphid-borne viruses, eradication of weed host like uh, Physalis, Phytolacca americana. Next disease, Fusarium wilt of cucurbits. Fusarium wilt of Fusarium sporum syndrome. Fusarium algisporum forma species. Wilt of cucurbits is managed by use of disease-free sheets. Good water drainage should be provided, and use of resistant varieties like Crimson, early resistant Queen, Fairfax, Sumit, and White Hope. Resistant varieties for Fusarium wilt of cucurbits are Crimson Sweet, early resistant Queen, Fairfax, Sunshade, Sumit, and White Hope. लसूण कुठे लसूण कुठे? वन 20, 53, 43. Minimum mark. मनीषा भोसले. आवाज येत नाही का रे? झोपलाय काय? थर्टी 20 55